Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making turkey bacon stuffed cheddar mushroom wrap. Ingredients I'll be using: diced onions, minced garlic, cream cheese, mushrooms, cheddar cheese, salt, pepper for tasting, turkey bacon slices. I washed the mushrooms and popped out the stems. I started to saute the onions, garlic, salt, and black pepper in 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix the cheddar cheese, cream cheese, and salt and pepper. I'll be using turkey bacon slices. Carefully stuff the cheddar mixture in the mushrooms. Wrap the turkey bacon around the mushroom using a toothpick to secure it. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees. This is how it should look. Put the mushrooms in the oven pan. Cook for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. This is how it should look. I garnished with parsley. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please comment below on how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting 2 recipes a week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Happy New Year.